Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today is another talking video and we do play blind bag card. Do you know this? Who is it? So this is Clever Sister. So if you are my friend or you follow my video, you will be know who is Clever Sister. So Clever Sister, they release a lot of stationery and also with the card and sticker. And you can go and check with the playlist with the Clever Sister or any unboxing video, you will see this one. Because this company, it have two character. One is Clever Sister and another one is Rabbit Ear Girl. So Rabbit Ear Girl is more cute, so the Clever Sister is wearing a glass, but for Rabbit Ear Girl, she have a rabbit ear on the top. So you go to my playlist and then you will see who is her. Okay, so they release a blind bag card, and yeah, I'm so excited to go for this one. And this is I got from Taobao, and you can have a look on AliExpress either. So I just put like this. You can scan this photo and then try to search in AliExpress or other online app that can scan the photo and find the product. Okay, so this one have 15 bag and have 4 cards in the bag. So let's see together. I got this one for a long time, just like a month ago, but I don't have time to do the blind bag opening. So let's see together. Oh, anyone collect the card, so you will love the card. So I don't know how is the quality, but let's see together. So okay, so this is nice. The packaging looks really cool and it feels like thick. So let's see together how it looks like. So before we go, let me check. So for this, it have a different card and like a higher card, a top card. So let's see together for the first packaging. Wow, so this is SR. That's really cool. This is SR. This is UR. I think UR is much more, like beautiful than the R. So this is 2R. So R is a normal card. So let's see another 2. So UR is higher than SR. I think, yeah. Oh, and look at the back at different too. So this is a normal card, and this is a SR card, and this is UR. So this is supposed to be the higher card. So I'm not sure other card will be higher than this one or not. So let's see for another packaging. Wow, that's hard to open. Okay, so here it is. So we got 2 normal cards and another UR and SR. So I think for in the packaging, as they mentioned, it have a sometimes you got like a special one. There are still a lot of SR or something like that. So okay, this is nice. Even this is R card, it still look cool. Wow, this is so cute. It just look like a fairy. Remind me of Zelda. Okay, this is our SR. UR. How do you think? Okay, now we know how to play. So let's see together for this one. I need a scissor to help me. Oh, I think. Hang on. Yeah, okay, so it is the same one. So this is cute. This is really cute. Oh my god, this is really nice. Look at this. So cool. So for this one, it have a little bit like reflective But this one is look nice for you are. So like this. So cool. Okay, now we know how to play, so we can go for a long way with them. Let's see. Wow. So I think what we got from here, the UR is the best one. So this is a normal card. Let's see. This is it's nice. The picture. Oh, this is so cool. You know, like even she wearing the glass, she still look cute. Okay, so this is our SR. She look like a fairy, look like a goat. Another SR. This is our UR. Oh, these two is look cool, especially this one. Can you see that? It just feel like yeah, the moon. What is called? Like, I forgot. But these two cards is look beautiful to me. Really nice. It seems like we don't have any high card. So let's try for more. Maybe we can get another good card from this one. So I feel like when I'm holding this card, it's feel like it is premium. Just like the way they design is really good. But I think it cannot compare to a small mochi. Small mochi is really nice. I hope they release another season for small mochi. So okay. So this is how it like. Wow, this orange is look cool. Really cool. We got duplicate, and I saw this one nice. Oh, this one's so cute. Really cute. Okay, this is also nice too. It just looks just normal. So we got this one already. This one nice. Really nice. What is I think this is a zodiac sign. So anyone know about this? Look cool. Wow. Yeah, this is cool as all. Oh my goodness. So nice. I think this is a cover one. It look nice. So cute. Cool. This is really cool for the SR card. UR card. So I hope we can get anything like higher than this. Let's check. Oh, okay, it's just put here. I will show you guys. We got two. How about this one? No, we got another one. I think it is in the middle of the box. Okay, so this is our SR. Another SR. Wow, this is CSR. Okay, so this is a transparent one, clear card. So if you put like this, nice, really nice. And how about this one? This is a queen, another CSR. So cute, really cute for this one. I might keep this one. Oh, this is so cute, YGK. And this is a normal one. Let's see the last one. I just feel like this one is really nice. To me, which one is nice? I think this one is nice. But this one, the way they highlight the card is look cool, really cool. Can you see that? Can you see the star? It look like it's imprints on top. So this is nice. Keep that. Okay, so we got 4 last page. So we go all together. So this is the last 4 cards that I have from Clever Sister. Oh, these two need to be like a little bit cut. Cool. Oh my god. I hope I can get something different from here. Can you see that? We got something. A lot. Just skip that. I think this is look. Oh my god, so nice. Really nice. Oh my god, I think it is from the last box. Oh my goodness, it's really cute. Oh my god. So anyone have a chance to buy this, you should go for the last card. Okay, really good. So start from this one. So we got another CSR. So this is like similar to other pictures, just a little bit different. We got on, I think maybe from the R card. And this is SR, and this is another SR. It's okay. Look at this one. This is SR. Oh my god! This is so cute. Can you see that? It's transparent with the pink color. Oh my goodness. And we got another cute card at the back. This is SC card, but I think you cannot compare to this one. Oh, we get another one here. So cute, really cute. Can you see that? It's transparent with the pink one. And oh, this is, my goodness, it just looks like an angel. And this one also cool. SC card is cool. This is nice. So do you know the sign of this one? Really cool. I love this. I love this. So nice. Okay. Oh, but this one is super cool. I really love that. Okay, we go for this one first because I think this card looks super cool. Oh my god, another one. Can you see that? It is really nice, you know, it have like a shimmering with the shining color and pink pearl inside these pictures. So cool. So anywhere with the white color, it will transparent to the another color. Another AC, so nice, really cute. Oh, I get two of them. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it is called ESTJ card. So nice, really nice. Can you see that? Super cool. Okay, we still have this one for the last one, and it's supposed to be like a lot of like, oh my god. This is a really good card, you know. This is CSR. So nice. And this is SC. This is SC. Look at this. You know, even the back of the card also looks so premium. Oh my god, this pink mermaid is really cute. Really cute. Look at this. And what is the last one? Okay, so we got this one, the last one. So I think we got a lot of good cards. I can sell up here. So this is what I got from here. This is a nice card. Really good. Maybe I need another album to put it together and show you guys next time. And thank you everyone for watching my video, and hope you guys like my video either. Okay, thank you and see you in next video. Bye bye.